Question 22, this is a question about metal again. So it is a metal, platinum. Which statements are correct? Okay. Can be hammered into shape. This is a property called malleable. You can think about in ancient drama when you can, make swords out of iron. You just keep on hammering. Those blacksmiths, they keep on hammering the iron until it goes into something very sharp. So metals can be hammered into shape because metals are malleable. Metal can conduct heat, so we use iron pot, we use steel pot, something which can conduct heat very quickly and allow us for cooking. It has a low boiling point. This is not true because metals have high boiling point. So, that one is not correct. High boiling point for metal is correct. It is shiny, so most metals are shiny, that is true. And it is strong, so metals are strong. Therefore, we are just looking at 1, 2, 4, and 5 and not looking at 3. So these are all 4 things here, which means there's one thing which is wrong, and we already established that the low boiling point is wrong because metals have high boiling point.